Hey, are you gonna do a food review, Sai?
Yes.
Or actually a snack review, huh?
Yes.
What is that there?
It is
Let me see it.
spicy
Is that Japanese?
Japanese.
Or is it Thai?
Thai or Japanese. This is a spicy flavor taro snack.
Spicy flavored taro fish snack. Ashko. Where did you get it from, Sai?
I buy from 7-Eleven.
7-Eleven. Wow, they have 7-Elevens in Thailand, huh?
Yes.
Okay. Well, tell me about this. Are you gonna taste it? Let's taste this thing, huh?
Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, Sai is opening the bag. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Stringy fish snacks. Alright, Sai's about to. She smells. What does it smell like, Sai?
Like a fish.
Like fish?
Yes.
Let me smell. I wonder. Ew. It don't smell like fish. It smells like old socks.
Okay, we will test it.
How is it, Sai?
Good.
Is it good?
Delicious.
Ah, it smells like fish, but it tastes like chicken. So, do you recommend people to buy the snack here? Okay, where can they buy it?
7-Eleven.
Okay. And do you have anything else to say, Sai? No. Okay. Want to thank the people out there?
Goodbye. Don't forget to subscribe.
Okay. Thank you, Super Sai.
Okay, and